Water you turn into wine. Open the eyes of the blind. There's no one like you. None like you. Into the darkness you shine.
Asibuyele zonsuku zokuthi wathinta thina wathinta ivoltage. Yonke into yethu ibe nevoltage yasezulwini. Noma siyathandaza kudlala imbani sadalelwa lamandla. Sabunjelwa lamandla. Sashapelwa lamandla. Kuzothiwa in the image of God because there's dominion coming. Let's take his image and his likeness.
uJesu injoba siphindana yethu elapha imiphefumulo yethu elapha izifo zethu akanayo ihili ulemvini kodwa kulemvini kunehili ngesikhathi uSathane eshaya uJesu ubephilisa thina ngesikhathi bemshaya saphila ngesikhathi bemshaya saphila wopha igazi saphila yingakho nawe uNkulunkulu
akuzona zonke izimpi ezine approval yomuntu mawubiza uNkulunkulu izimpi zivuka left and right ubuke wathi umntwana kaNkulunkulu izimpi zizoba sendleleni yakho ziyolala izona ezenza icharacter kaJesu dipasata kamoshaba kukhona abantu la amafamily zabo ayancifa mabathi bayentabeni.
If you know who you are as according to what God has made you, you wake up in the morning with the consciousness of who you are. You remind yourself that, hey, ngiyukulunga kukaNkulunkulu. When you face any situation, ukuze uphile impilo uNkulunkulu akubizele yona, you must remember who you are. If you don't remember ukuthi ukulunga kaNkulunkulu, you know what will happen? Uzophila according to who you remember yourself to be.
Andikwazi ukuzosayina ndibe ngumama umkhatho osayina kule pulpit kanti ekhaya andaziwa ngale ndlela endisayina ngayo apha. Kufuneka xa ndithetha umyeni wami avume ngentloko, abantwana bam bavume ngentloko because lento abayibona ndiyo epulpitini nasekhaya nasekuhlaleni ndiyo. Awukwazi ukuba right endlini kaThixo xa ungakwazi ukuba right emvekhaya. Asihlali ezindlini zamasonto bathina abantu ngawe ekuhlaleni. Uhamba kanjani ekuhlaleni? Wenzani ekuhlaleni?